Today I want to talk about psychology with trading, and it's really important. One of the most important things, especially right now when the markets are heavily impacted by the news. There's wars going on, natural disasters, bank situation in Nigeria, tons of stuff happening in South Africa. So it is pretty normal that the market is going pretty insane as well. So this video is really important. You guys have to stay patient. It's really important that you have peace inside of yourself, that you have patience, that you wait for the right opportunities, that you have proper risk management. The whole key to staying in that proper risk management is having patience and calmness within you. The problem is in your heart. Guys, when you have a stubborn, hardened heart that is eager to attain something, that is maybe greedful, that is maybe only thinking about yourself and about your own achievements, then my friend, you have an issue right there. It's not in your mind even, it's in your heart. Your heart needs to be softened. Listen guys, if you're stressed out about a trade, you're risking too much. You need to be putting in a trade and then being able to look away and do other stuff. You cannot be stressed out about the trade. If you're stressed out about a trade, don't even enter it. You have to be calm and sure about the trade. That's the only way you can enter it. Guys, whatever works for you, for me, I need to invite the Holy Spirit. With the Holy Spirit, I can stay peaceful, calm, and He will show me the right way as well. Where to go, what trades to put in, is it a good idea or not? And you know, there is still that thought in the back of my mind like, oh, you've been winning all the time. Why don't you put more into this trade, because it's gonna blow up massively and you can make so much money. That thought right there will mess you up. Maybe one time you will succeed and make that quick money, huge money, boom, profit. And you'll be like, wow, man, I made all that money so quickly. And maybe it might work a couple times, but that one time that it doesn't work out, you're pretty much going to lose everything. That is why it is very important to be that turtle in the race and not the rabbit. Stay on the course, do that proper risk management, stick to your strategy, stick to the signals, whatever you use, and keep using that risk management through the good and the bad. I know it's very tempting when you've been winning the whole week, for example, to think like, okay, I made this money, but I could have made more if I risked more. So then you start putting in more, and then it usually goes wrong, because it's like kind of like a universal law from God. You see, God has a timing, God has plans. If you try to do things quicker than what God has planned, it will fail. You just have to go at His pace, you just have to go at His timing, and then it will work out. If you try to do things quicker, risk more than you should, then it goes wrong. I'm telling you right now, I'm warning you right now, you cannot do that. You need to have safe risk management where you can lose a couple times, because that is the part of it. Nobody can win like 100% of the time. I mean, even the best football teams never win every single match. Even if they're the best of the league, there is always going to be like a draw, maybe a loss of something that you didn't expect. The best tennis players exactly the same. You can have an off day, guys. You can have an off day. Trading is no different than anything else. In a company, you can have a salesman that sells every day, but then one day, like, he's kind of feeling an off day. He's not really in the sales mood. You know, it happens. And so is with trading as well. You might have an off day. You might feel a little bit not that focused on that day. On that day, you should risk even less. You should listen to your body and yourself. Like, how are you feeling? Or if you're feeling really good, if you're feeling really confident in stuff, okay, maybe on that day, a little bit more can be risked, but not a lot more, okay? If you're feeling like an off day, like, I'm not sure about the market, okay, maybe don't take a trade or take a very small trade. And so for me, it's really important, guys, I keep telling you, it's really important that I stay close to God. And listen, guys, you may be stressed out like, oh, I need this money really quickly, I have to get it by this and this time. No, you're already thinking wrong. You should not even trade, because with that mindset, I'm guaranteeing you that it's not gonna go well. You need to take it slow. And I know you need that money right now, but it's not what's in plan. I stuck in that for like 2 years, where I was like, oh, I need to flip this money quickly, so I'll put it all in this one trade. Boom, I lost it. Like, just like that. So I'm telling you guys, if I didn't do that so many times, I would have such a huge account by now. It would be ridiculous. But because I wanted it quickly, I'm actually taking it slowly. So if you want it quickly, it's gonna take longer. Just so you realize, if you take it slowly, you're getting there faster. I'm telling you guys, it's actually backwards. If you risk less, you will make more in the end. If you risk more, it will take you longer. You will not even reach it until you understand that. You will not even reach it until you understand that if you risk more, you will lose more. You can get lucky one time, but it's more like gambling, guys, if you risk all of your account. Probably by now you should already know what to risk, what not to risk. With these prop firms, it's probably 0.5%, maybe 1-2% max per trade. And with your personal account, yeah, you can maybe risk 5 to 10% of the account. Don't risk 50%, don't risk 100%, no. And so when you look at the market, look at it with a peaceful mind, look at it with a calm mind, look at it objectively, don't look at it emotionally. And if those things are not in line, if you feel like you're stressed out, you need to achieve it quick, if you have any negative thoughts, any bad feeling inside, any stress, don't even trade. Don't even trade. Wait until that feeling is gone. When you feel calm again, then look at it again with a calm, focused, patient mind. I guarantee if you follow that, you will have way more success. And take it easy. Do it the turtle way. Moving slowly, keep stacking up the small wins, and then you'll be amazed at the end of the year how much you've actually gained. I keep saying it because I hope it drills into your mind. I hope it hits in your heart. I hope that you will have a great week next week. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.